So hi guys, welcome back to my channel again. So today in this video I am just going to make a multiple power supply which will give 5 volt. You can I'm using it for charging my phone, and it will also give output of 50 volt by taking 12 volt, and it will give 50 volt. If you want you can adjust the voltage from 5 volt to 50 voltage. So first we will see the schematic diagram of this project. So let's go to the board. So here you can see I have made a diagram. So this is the transformer. So it will take an input voltage of 220 volt of AC having 50 to 60 hertz. Here is a bridge rectifier which will give the actual 12 volts of 2 amperes. So I'm taking the output here and giving it to the step up module. I will show you the step up module. So this is a step up module. So here you can see it is the output. Sorry, I will put it here. See, it will work like this only. So this is the input. So I will give an input of 12 volt of 2 amperes to it, the step up module, and it will give an output of 50 voltage. It have an inbuilt potentiometer with which you can control the voltage. So it will give a 50 volt of 2 amperes. So here is a sign of a polar, see, you can see polarized capacitor. Here is a sign of capacitor. I will connect a capacitor of value 200 voltage of 200 UF farad, and it will give 50 voltage out. So I will again take another 2 wires from this of 12 volt and give it to the 7805 IC to convert it 12 volt to 5 volt. It will give only 5 volt. So you can connect it with your mobile phone also. So I'm using a transformer. If you want to make it portable, you can use a battery or any battery pack made up of non-recharge. You can use non-rechargeable batteries also if you want to remove this transformer, and you can connect a non-rechargeable battery pack also, or you can connect a lithium battery also. So if you want to know this connection of this 7805 IC, I have shown in one of my videos. Just go to my channel and just see it. So I will give the link in the description box. So here we come the connection of this 7805 IC, which will convert 12 volt to 5 volt. So we will take 2 wires from this 12 volt and connect this positive one with this left side of this IC, which will take 12 volt input having a common ground or the minus negative, and then give 5 volt output. I will connect this 5 volt positive and the output ground to this USB female port, as you can see I have written. So I will also show you this what port I am using. See, you can see it is a USB port. So here is the this is the diagram. So let's start this video and do the connections. So I'm taking a wooden board. See, it's a very good quality wooden board of about 2 mm thickness. So here is this 7805 IC. I will just zoom it and just show you the value. I hope you can see it. Yes. So here is this 7805 IC, this capacitor. I'm using 2 capacitors. One I will connect to the transformer, one I will connect directly to the step up module. I'm using this connector for the output of 50 voltage. If you know, I don't know that if you know or not, it is basically used in the amplifiers to connect the speakers with the amplifiers. You can get this in the amplifier shops and in electrical shops. I'm using this power cable to give the power to the transformer. So I'm using this transformer. It is almost having a bridge rectifier. I really just don't know where is the 12 volt output, so I'm going to use this multimeter and just check where it is giving the output. Here is the step up module. At the last I will polish this surface. If you don't want to polish this surface and make it very soft, so if you don't want, you can do, but I will make it to make it good nice. I will just polish it. So let's start the video without wasting your time. So first I will do the connection of this transformer. So I'll open this cable, power cable, and solder it to the input port. Soldering iron. I'm basically making this video for one of my friend who cannot understand how to make this, so I hope you will understand. Soldering this to the transformer. So it is finally soldered one way, and this is another way. So finally the second wire is also connected to the transformer. So to make it a good connection, I am using this Fevikwik to make it waterproof, not waterproof, to make it leakage proof, or so that we can be safe, get any shock from this. So I'm just opening that. Basically I don't know why it is not coming out. Okay, I'll just pause the video here and see what is happening. So it was having a problem with the cap, so I solved it. So I will just yes, finally done. So here it is done. So now we will take the capacitor. Now we will take this capacitor whose value is 12 volt, 25 volt and 4700 microfarad. Now we'll connect this. Now we'll connect this to now first we'll check the output, where it is giving the output or not. So we'll just turn on the this multimeter at 600 volt. Take this, and as you can see, it is showing that power is also in to 230 voltage. Now we'll check the DC output. Check the DC output, where it is giving the positive and where it is giving the negative. So here is the ground. It is giving 19 volt. We need 12 volt. So it is almost giving 19 volt. It is not giving actually the 12 volt, but we can also give the 19 volt into the step-up module. It will not harm it. So here is the negative or the ground, and here is the positive or the 19 volt or 12 volt output. So we will now connect this. First I switch off this transformer, or I can get a shock. So we'll connect this capacitor with this transformer. First we see which is the negative one and which is the positive. Here is the negative side of this. As you can see, a spark, we can see a spark happened just now. So it is nothing but the power stored in this small capacitor connected with the bridge rectifier. So we are increasing the capacitor value by adding a big capacitor with. So it is grounded. It is connected, sorry. So it is connected. So I will again switch on the connection once more. So you can see nothing is happening to it. So I have done the correct connection. Now we will connect this. I think I should just fix the transformer here with a nut and bolts. So I will first drill it in this surface and fix this transformer. Then I will again show you how to connect this with the surface. I just need to make a drill here. So here is my drill. So here is the drill. I am using this bit. So let's drill the surface. I will give a small suggestion about using the drill. Please drill the surface safely. So we have connected the drill bit with the drill. Now we'll connect it to the power supply. So we'll check. As you can see, it is running very nicely. Before drilling, again check the connections. So I will make 2 drills. First I will mix the points where I need. I'm taking these 2 points. Okay. Now we have these dots, and we'll make a drill according to it. So let's start drilling. Make sure you keep one surface in here so that you do not damage any table or something. see, we have made it. I'll just clean my desk and again show you. So it is almost done. We have done the drilling. Now I will just sand it with the sandpaper to make it smooth little bit, so that we will get a nice finishing. We'll keep all the electrical components aside. Then I'll so our sanding is almost done. Here you can see the smoothness of this wood now. It's too smooth, having two holes. Now I will take some screw and washers as well as bolts. Here you can see. Now I will just make it inside of this and then from here. See how easily it came out. If you are using a hand drill, it will take a long time to drill the surface. So as well, I have a electrical drill. I do not face any problem. So it is almost done. Now I will fix this transformer into it. Oh shit. It will take a long time to go because it have a small hole. I think I have to take out one screw first. God, please come out. Okay, so again I have to drill a hole into the transformer to make it little bit big. So I will just do it fast and show you. So as you can see, I have connected the transformer very strongly with nut and bolts with the surface. See. So here is the capacitor and here is the power supply. What I will do is that I will stick the capacitor with the surface like this. Hold it for 2 to 3 minutes, not 2 to 3 minutes, for 5 to 6 seconds. And to make sure all the connections are done, to make sure that this power supply doesn't move, I will just use some little bit of Fevikwik and again hold it for few seconds. For 3 seconds. And again it is done. Now we will do the connection of this step-up module. Now we will do the connection of the step-up module. We are going to use 2 small wires and connect it with the step-up module. See, I am taking the positive. connected. Now I will connect it to the input of this. Oh, sorry, this is the out. Input is here. If you want to do the connection, you can do it at the back also. The facility is given. So connect this. If you are making this, please make sure that you are connecting the positive to the positive terminal of this step-up module, or if you connect the negative to the positive of the step-up module, it can, I don't know, really I don't know, but it can get short or it can be damaged. So it is done. To secure the connection, again I am going to use the Fevikwik. Secured. Now I will connect the negative terminal. Now to the negative one. See, one spark is happening now only because it has some charge stored in the capacitor, so I have connected. And I'm really very sorry that I have promised to on my channel that I will bring a multimeter testing as well as how to use the multimeter. I could not present it because I was going through a very tough time. So I will try to bring it as fast as I can. And if you have not seen the multimeter unboxing, please go to my channel and see that. I will give I will also give that description in the. I will also give that link into the description box. Please check after finishing this video. So this was done. I think so. No, not properly. I will pause it and do it very properly. Okay. So I think it is complete connecting a step-up module. I will give the power, connect the power supply and see nothing. I hope nothing gets blast. So I have connected. So let's check the output voltage of this. I'll just keep the soldering aside. I will on this multimeter. I will set it at 200 volt because it will give output of 50 volt. You can regulate the voltage using this potentiometer given already in the module. So you can just regulate the voltage by using a screwdriver, and if you want you can connect the external potentiometer. I am not using because I want 50 voltage only. So let's measure the output voltage. Connected to the negative terminal and positive terminal. So it is almost done. I have just made a small mistake that I have connected the positive to the negative terminal of the transformer and the negative to the positive terminal of the transformer. So I just got saved from a small blast. So I will just check the output voltage as I said you that it will give a 50 voltage of output. Please manage that my my display is little bit damaged, so it will show you. I'll just show you what is happening with my multimeter. So I will zoom it once. I hope you can see it. See, it is not showing one line. So I will measure it now. See, it is showing 47.5. You can see here is a 0. And when I will connect, it will change to U. U means 47.5 means almost 50 voltage, as I told you. See, if you don't believe me, I will just zoom into the capacitor of this this module. See, it has a value of 50 volt. 50 volt. So I will stick this thing with one line of Fevicol. One small line of Fevicol. Okay. Press it for. Focus. Done, I think so. It is not. Since it is wood, it is taking a long time. Yes, it is almost done. I will fix the points. Secure all the points. So here you can see the primary connections of this. So now I will connect this voltage regulator. See, I will first show you. I will just recall the connections. So here is the common ground. I have taken two ground from one point. See, I will just zoom it one. As I showed you, the middle one is ground. These two wires are ground. One ground will go with the 5 volt output, yellow, and another wire which is the black one, which is also a ground. Where we will give the input of 12 volt. So I will connect the common ground with the transformer. See how I am connecting it. I am connecting the black one with the transformer, as I have told you. This is the common. So input is done. Actually, I just need to use some flux again. I will join to the positive terminal connected. Yes, it is connected. Now we'll see the voltage output. Is it is giving the 5 volt output or not? Please make sure that if it doesn't give output of 5 volt, please do not connect with any smartphone or any phone. It will instant damage your phone. Instant. Now I will see the voltage output with the multimeter again. I will set it at 20 volt. And now I will take a common ground. And let's see, this is the ground one. It's a positive. See, here you can see that it is giving a 5.34 volt. I will just zoom it and show you. 1 minute. Here you can see. I will turn on the blue light and see. It is giving a 5.4 volts, which is approx 5 volt only. So it is okay. Now we do not have any more connection, so I will we do not have left any more connection in the transformer, so we will secure all the points with safety. So we will secure all the points with the safety. Done. Again we secure it. Done. Now I will stick the IC with the surface or to the surface. I'm using just fevikwik again. See, as you can see, I'm sticking in this. See, it's looking very nice. After doing all the connection, I will apply a small coat of polish, wooden polish. So now it is time to connect this connector. So first I will show you that this is the positive terminal, this is the negative terminal. I will simply connect this. First I will shift it once. This is the positive, okay? So I will just wrap it here. First I will switch off this power supply from this transformer. Now it is okay. I will connect the lamp. Okay, done. Now with this, now I will secure the connection, the soldering. Now it is almost done. I will bring a phone and just show you that it is giving output of 5 volts or not. So we have almost completed the completed all the connections. So I will just show you that it is giving or not. So this is a Redmi phone. See, here it is a Redmi phone. I will connect it. If it do not show the charging sign, then you have to understand that you have done a wrong connection, as I have made. So what you need to do is that you will just do the opposite connection. I will bring the white here and blue here. So let's do that also. First I will remove the phone. So let's do the connection again. Oh, sorry, I have not on the power supply only. Sorry, very sorry. So how to on the supply only. I've connected again. Same. Now we will give the power supply to the transformer. Given. Now let's connect it. Now see, I will connect it. No, it is not showing only. Let's check with the multimeter. Volts negative terminal. This is the negative one. This is the positive. Check it is giving what. See, I am showing you the multimeter results. I'll just remove the phone and show you that it is working or not. I don't know why it is not working. Check all the connections. It is positive, going okay. Let's check it once more and see what result it gives. So we'll connect the positive to positive to the red and negative. Let's check it once. Really don't know, I have done all the connections. Just check it once. It's not showing. It is also, I think it is showing. No, it is giving 5 volt. I don't know. I think this module is not working. I'm very sorry guys, I think this module is not working. Let's check if it is correct or not. See, here you can see the bip. So we have set it on the connectivity mode. Continuity. Yes guys, this module is not I think it is not working. This the fault is in the module, not in my connections, or not in this thing. The module is wrong. See, I will prove it to you. See, I have just on the multimeter and I will show you. See, I will connect it to the negative ground and show and connect it with the positive side. See. So yes guys, so as I was telling that it is really giving 5 volt and 2 amperes, but since my USB module is not working now, so I cannot connect a mobile phone with this 5 volt output, but I can prove you that it is really giving 5 volts. So I will show you by connecting a multimeter with it. So I will give a power supply and see is it giving or not. See, 5 volt. See, it is giving 5 volt. So in the next video I will try to plot a new USB module and connect it to a mobile phone and show you that it is really working. So we will now focus to the output voltage of 50 volts. So we will take this socket now, and connect the 2 ports with this. So we will make the ground common. As you can see, it is black and black. So we will use a small wire and connect. So now I will connect this socket. I am taking this small vedio to make the ground as common. So let's solder it. So I have done the connection. Here you can see I have taken the ground as common. And these are the positive side. I will also take this as common. So I will just make one ground, one positive. So let's make a common also for this positive side. So this time I am using a blue wire for making it common. So as you can see, we have taken 2 commons. So as you can see, we have taken the commons. Now I will just make 2 wires connected for single to positive and single negative. Connect the positive to the positive one. So I have done all the connection of this socket. So as you can see here, it is single ground, single positive. So first I will connect to the step up module, then if it works, then only I will secure it with Fevikwik. So let's connect it. First I will see where is the positive and where is the negative. So here this is the positive one, which will connect to the red wire, which I will connect to the blue wire, which is nothing but the positive side of the socket. It is connected. So my connection is almost done. So I have connected the positive to positive and negative to negative. So here is no short, so all the connections are okay. So we will secure it with Fevikwik as I am doing. If you want, you can use hot glue stick or hot glue gun also. So we'll test it that it is giving 50 volts or not. But first we will connect the last capacitor we have. So let's connect it. I will connect it and show you. Here is the capacitor. It is of 25 volt and 4700 microfarad. So I will pause the video right here and I will connect it and then show you. Please make sure that you will connect the negative point with the negative and the positive to the positive. So now you can see that I have connected all the connections and all the things are ready. Now I will show you the thing properly. So here I have connected the capacitor with the negative to the negative and positive to the positive. So again I am going to secure. I'm going to connect this capacitor, see, like this. Done. Now I will split this socket like this. Done. And I'm again sorry for this socket portion, but I cannot show you that it is working properly, but I cannot show you the testing of this 5 volt. So our project is ready. Now we'll connect it. I think what is happening right now. No, nothing has happened now. I think okay, this capacitor is also not getting heated up. Okay, now I will check the power. that it is giving or not. So here you can see, I'll just on the light once and show you. See, I've done the connections. Now I will show you, I will just check that it is giving 50 volts or not. See. See, it is giving 47 volts. I will touch here also. See 47 volts. So it is working. Now I will again test. Now I will again test the 5 volts. See. Will show that this is working. See, it is giving 5 volts. So it is working. Now our project is almost, not almost, it is done. So now what we will do is that we will use one coat of polish on it. Let's see what before polishing, please clear it. Before polishing, I will just show you a quick review of this thing what I made. This is the 5 volt output. Now let's polish it. Before polish, as I said, please clear it so that no dust particles are left on the board. So I am using air gun. You can also say it as a hair dryer to clean the dust particles before polishing the board. And when you are cleaning the board, sometimes please on the hot air option also, so it is good for the Fevikwik get again melted and just then got fixed properly on the connection. So now it is almost cleaned. So now we will clean our desk, and now I will clean my desk and then again show you. So as you can see, I have cleaned my desk. So to polish this board, I am using half inch 1.5 inch brush. See this, you can get in any nearest book stall, or we usually use this brush for paintings. So as I do painting, so I know. So now you just need to take one paper cup, small paper cup, and obviously a polish. I'm using a very high quality wooden polish. I brought this from Amazon at the rate of 500 rupees. See, I'm using the new Mass Advance, this wooden polish. So it gives a really good, and this is basically used for interior wood finishing, as you can see written here. Now I will little bit pour in the cup, and I just want to tell you that this wooden polishes are sublimable. So after pouring in the cup, polish the surface very fast, for all the liquid will be supplied. So I'm just taking into the brush, and see what a finishing it is giving. I just on the flashlight and see what a finishing it is giving. Awesome finishing. So here you can see what a finishing it is giving. So since it is a new wood, you need so much of polish. See what a high quality polish is it. See. After the polish is done, let this board into dry for half an hour. Since I am making a video, I will use my hair dryer to make it dry as fast as possible. I can make. What a finishing it is giving. Just giving like a professional. If you don't know how to polish, if you use this, it will give a professional finishing. See. If you I will also put the link of this polish into the description box. It is almost done. See what a finishing it gave. So I will make this thing dry, and then again I will show you how it is looking. so it is not dry as yet. So I just want to tell you a small thing that, see here, I have used, as I told you before, that I have used 7805 IC, which converts 12 volt to 5 volt, and here is another IC which is 7808. Here is a small difference, that it converts 12 volt from 12 volt to 8 volt, and it converts 12 volt to 5 volt. So if you want 8 volt output, you can use for 8 volt, and if you want a 5 volt output, you can use it for 5 volt. If you do not believe me till now also that it is not working, that at the last I will show you by connecting a motor with this motor or any light. So let this thing dry and then I will again show you. Yes guys, I am using this small LED to use it as an indicator that it is working, means this thing is on. But first I will show you by connecting with the 5 volt power supply, as I told you. I have see, 1 minute, see, here is the LED. Now I am see, it is giving 5 volts. Just make sure that you can see it properly and have no doubts regarding this connection. Now I will connect this LED here directly to the transformer and use it as an indicator. But first it has to be dry, or it cannot do anything with this. So guys, it is almost dried. So I will connect the LED here with the transformer. I'll just zoom it so that you can see this properly. I will connect the ground here, as you can see, or you can notice it. Connected. So I think it will work. Yes, see it is working as an indicator. Okay, so I will do the final connection. Yes, so let's finally connect it. I will just pause the video and do the cutting. So as I completed soldering, see, as I completed, so this all. Now when I give the power supply to this connection, see what will happen. This thing will blow. So guys, it is finally ready. It is dry. See, it is dry. Here you can see the finishing. And just on the light, see, water finishing. Here is the small blue indicator, capacitors, step-up module, transformers, connector. See, I will give the power supply. Wait 1 minute. See, I'm going to give the power supply. See, it is blinking. I'll just off the flashlight. See, it is blinking. See. Awesome. Now since it is finished, so we just need to decorate it and make it looks cool. So I am using this for, I don't know what this is called. I think it is called something like cap or something. Buffers. It is called buffers, used in chairs to lace the friction the ground and the object. So we will stick this here so that we can place on the table or anywhere properly, so that it has no vibration or anything. So we will first switch off the power, and then we will stick the thing. First we'll make the distance between all the buffers with scale and marker. So marker, see, here is, we are going to put it at 1, again at distance 1, at same point. Again in another side, see, another point, we will also do the same thing. First we will take the dimensions like this, point. See, all the dots are ready. And then we will get caps. Stick all the buffers on the surface. As you put the thing here at first, another one here. See, it is parallel to it. Now I will just bring this. See, as you can see that now I will tell the reason why I use this here. See, this is parallel to it, and this is parallel to this. This is parallel to this and this. So I have made a square. So see, now it is done. See. So this was the project. Now I will show you the final look of this project. See, sorry, this light has came over the screen. Again I will put So this is the final look of this board in the power supply. See, as you can see that it looks really very good. Please comment in the description box if you have any doubt. I will try to clear it in 1 or 2 days. I will give the description of the wooden polish also. I cannot give the description of all of these components because I have brought it from the local market, so I cannot do it. I am really very sorry. You will usually find this at the Amazon. If you just try to search it, there as components like capacitors you will get. I can only just give you the description of I can only just give you the link of this step-up module and this 7805 IC. So thank you for watching. Thank you for watching my video. If you like it, please give a like, and if you have not subscribed my channel as yet, please subscribe. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.